So here we are going to make a test part. This is going to be something really cool. It's called multi-start threads. If you don't know what that is, we're going to cut the part and the threads, and then I'll show you what they are and how they work, and then how they'll apply to the forge, hopefully. So here we're cutting one pass. This is essentially a 3mm thread. This is the next. Okay, so let me show you what we have. We essentially just move the turret out of the way there, and we will get this out of the chuck because it'll be easier to show. So, here we have what appears to be a standard 1mm pitch thread. However, it actually has 3 places that it started at. So, there's one right here, and one right here, and one right here. And you can look up more online about multi-start threads, but essentially the advantages, other than having 3 points that you can thread in at and the thread will catch, the other advantage is that as you traverse, this will screw faster than normal 1mm thread. It'll screw 3 times faster. So the hope of the advantage on the forge here would be, with a very large diameter ring, we're going to have multiple starts, and I'll test 3, 5, and see basically how it looks, but the pitch will be the same, which means the relative force for you to tighten it will be the same. However, it will be easier to catch, so many points along the ring you'll be able to catch, and it should lock tight faster rather than having to spin it a couple times. Hopefully this would just, within a half-quarter turn, you would already have it be really tight. You may also know where this is used, which is in the industry. It's used in bottle caps. So bottle caps, and then the little starts on the thread. If you look very close at the top of the bottle and the cap as you screw it on, it is a multi-start thread. So we'll get into that more, hopefully in stainless, on the forge. But for now, this was just a quick test, and it looks like it not only works, but the quality of the threading looks really good to me. And it looks, it's indistinguishable by eye, relatively, that it's a 1mm thread. The only way to tell is by looking at the very end and noticing that there's not just one pickup lead, but there is 1, 2, 3, just like that.